Hello guys, so welcome back to another video. Today we're going to make an amazing tutorial guys, so make sure you watch the video until the end. We're going to talk about Dragon Ball Sparking Zero, and I'm about to share with you guys that how I got a copy of the game guys for free, and I'm going to share you the steps I did it for myself. So if you want to learn how to do this and you can do it for any platform, make sure you watch this video until the end guys. I'm going to explain in details everything, so you can be able to do it after on your own. Okay, so you can pre-order the game guys and get a copy of the game for free. Okay, so I just need to turn the camera in the other side so you can we can explain the rest of the steps. Okay, so as you can see guys, I have right here in front of you my iPhone. I suggest also you to prepare your smartphone because you're gonna need it in order to get a copy of the game. It doesn't matter the device you have. It can be iOS, it can be Android. I'm just using my iPhone because this is what I use. If you have Android device, it's totally fine. The steps are going to be the same for all devices. Okay, so we're going to get a game code guys, which you can redeem after any platform guys that you play. So I did for my PlayStation 5, but you can do it for any platform. So I'm going to show you how the game code looks like. I got it by SMS, so it's going to look like this, I guess, also for everyone. So it says, congratulations, the task has been completed successfully. This is the game code, which is one-time use, and I already use it. Is your Dragon Ball Sparking Zero game code from Coupon Finder. So basically, I went to this site, guys, and then there are a lot of other things you can check later inside. I'm just going to search in the searching bar, so not to make the video too long. And here it is, and then you have down below guys, as you can see, you have different platforms. All right, so you just need to choose for which platform you are playing, but for the whole platforms the steps are the same. Okay, so once you come here you will play the platform that you play. For example, me, I'm going to continue with PS5, but you can do it, as I mentioned before, for all platform the same. You just press to show coupon and then unlock the code, and then you just need to wait a couple of minutes guys, seconds practically. You just need to wait a couple of seconds for the circle to get completed until the end, and then it will redirect you to another page when it is required to complete a little task in order to unlock the code. It's very simple to do it, so you just need to read the instructions guys. And it says over here, download the complete two apps below to unlock Dragon Ball Sparking Zero game code, and down below it says, after completing the task, enter phone number, email above to receive the code. So this was me, I put my phone number, that's why I got it by SMS, but you can put also your email. This is on your own choice how do you want to get the code. And here down below it says that do not use VPN or proxy because the process will fail if you use them. So down below guys, you're gonna have this list of the apps, which all of them, they are for free. As you can see, you don't have to pay anything. This is very important. And all of them, they are from App Store and Play Store, so you don't have to worry about the apps. They are from official stores. You don't have to do anything outside official stores. So you just need to choose two of the apps guys to complete the task. You just need to read the instructions. As you can see, every app has different instructions, so make sure you read it correctly so you don't make any mistake. And then one thing you need to keep in mind, that you should be a user only, which it means that if you have already TikTok on your device, then you should not do TikTok, otherwise it will not work. You should choose another app which you didn't have it downloaded before on your device. Okay, if you don't have, for example, TikTok, you can do it. It's a very simple task to do it. It says just to download and install the app and just run it for 30 seconds. It's super simple. It takes like 1 minute in total. So me, I did fetch rewards of this easily. I did this too because it was very simple to do it. It took me like 4 minutes. Very simple apps to do it. And once you're gonna choose guys which you want to do it, you just press on it. And it shows again the instruction what you have to do. Here it says download and install the app and run it for 30 seconds to unlock the content. You just unlock. It's going to redirect me to App Store because I'm using iPhone. For Android, it's going to redirect it to Play Store. And to me it shows open because I have done it before. To you, to show the sign of downloading, so practically download it and open it. And the app was required just to open and keep it for at least 30 seconds open. So I completed the first one, fetch rewards, and then I did Seasly. All right. Also, Seasly was very simple app just to register on the app and to install it. So practically the same steps also create again. You continue the rest of the steps like fetch rewards. So basically, after I completed both of the apps, I came here, I put my phone number, guys. All right, and I submitted. And a couple of minutes after they verified I did correctly, they just sent me the text, guys, with a code. So basically this is it guys. I hope it was helpful and useful, and before we leave, don't forget to subscribe my channel, don't forget to press the like button, and see you in the next videos. Cheers.